Hey traders, let's have a look at GBPUSD from the weekly time frame. So just a quick update on this pair. What I'd like to show and share with you guys is that GBPUSD is basically now at a very strong resistance area, and we can expect some sort of movement or some sort of rejection from this area on the weekly time frame. Why do I say we should get a rejection or a some sort of movement over here to the downside? Is because we can see around this area we have here, we had a very nice support area over there. Also we had a very good resistance area over here in the past, and we also had a resistance with the false breakout in this area over here. So what we can expect from this pair is we can expect some sort of movement to the downside, whether it is to the target that I've already marked over there for you. What I also found is basically I took my Fibonacci from the week high to this low over here in 2018 until the low over here, and I could find that the market is now trading at the 50% Fibonacci, which is a level in the Fibonacci level, and this is a good level. Also, it also lines up very nicely with the structure level in market that we've had in the past as well. So what we can expect from this pair is what I'm looking for is a push to the downside in order for the market to continue this trade to the upside. So let's go down to the daily time frame and let's have a look at what kind of price action we're getting and how we can trade this pair throughout the week. So what we're going to look for in this area basically is we're going to look for some sort of rejection in this area, or basically a push to the downside to the given area around this target that I've given you here at the top of this last high over here. And what we can expect from the market if we are going to trade this pair, please be very careful because GBPUSD has been manipulated quite a bit in the last few weeks, so we need to play it safe and make sure that you guys enter in the right time. Now when we reach to the top, like give you an example quickly of how this market would work. Basically the market would reach to the resistance area and then maybe a false breakout and then start its move to the downside. So once we have movement to the downside, then we know that the market will be bearish, then we could enter the market. But it's better to wait for some structural break in order for us to get a good trade to the downside. So let's pop down onto the 4-hour time frame and let's have a look at what kind of structure we have already. So nothing tells me that we are ready to sell this pair because the pair this pair keeps making higher lows and higher highs, which means that the market is still bullish and the environment of the market has not changed into a bearish scenario yet. So what we want to see basically in this area is we would like to see a break of structure first before that we can enter this market. So if we get a break of structure, what I mean is break of structure in this area around here. If we have a break of structure in this area with the daily candle closing below over here, then we can expect the market to basically move to the downside. With the retest, we always have to wait for the retest in this area, and then we can basically enter the market in this area that is given over here. Now it's always best to trade when you have confirmation, so please, when you guys have confirmation, then trade only. Once the candle does close below this area over here, then we can start to look for our entries. If the market continues to move into the upside, if the market keeps moving to the upside and it doesn't seem to be going bearish, keeps moving up and making higher highs and higher lows, then this trade will be invalid. So if the market, although it does start to make lower lows and lower highs, then we will be interested in looking at a sell in this market. But for now, the market is still bullish because we are still making higher highs and higher lows, so we are not interested in selling this pair yet unless we have a break of structure. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Leave me a like and a comment if you guys like this video, and if it helped you in your analysis as well, let me know in the comment section below. Really appreciate um, your likes and comments in order for us to give you nice, good, accurate analysis for different types of pairs. Thank you very much, and we will see you guys in the next video.